Okay, for 41, right, we have, it says find y in each equation if x equals 16. So they want us to substitute in. So let's start with a, right? The equation is y equals 3 plus the third root of x minus 8, right? And x is 16. So I'm going to substitute the 16 in, and I'm not going to do anything else on the first step. So now I'm going to simplify, and I get the third root of 16 minus 8, which is 8. Now from our work with cube roots, we know the cube root of 8 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So this is really saying what's 3 plus 2? So y equals 5 for A. For B, let's substitute in, right? So the equation is y equals root x minus 7. And again, x is 16, so the square root of 16 minus 7, right? Let's write neater. Square root of 16 is 4, right? 4 times 4 is 16 minus 7. 4 minus 7 is negative 3, so y equals negative 3. And for C, I have y equals 4 plus the absolute value of 9 minus x. Again, x is 16, right? 9 minus 16. So in this case, we get 4 plus the absolute value of 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16 is negative 7. The absolute value of negative 7 is 7. So I have 4 plus 7. Y equals 11 for C.